2017 Lexus GX. And if you ever come to your vehicle, now I've already turned the tire pressure light off. It's gonna light up right here in the corner. Tire pressure monitor. You have to go through, you have to do the tire pressure on all 4 of your tires. Where do you find the tire pressure? Right here in the door jamb. So you can see it there. Now that is cold tire pressure. If you've been driving the car, just add 3 pounds to it. That's 32, you would add 3 pounds, 35 on all of your tires if you've been driving the car. Now, until you do that, that tire pressure monitor light is not gonna go off. You have to come up underneath, and you can see the valve stem for the spare tire there. You must set the tire pressure cold on your spare tire to 32. Once you set that tire pressure, and you wanna do that with the vehicle off. Once you set the tire pressure, come back into the interior of the vehicle, you're gonna go ahead and start up. That should take care of your tire pressure monitor sensor. So there again, tire pressure monitor sensor, 2017 Lexus GX. Is a bit of a hassle, but that is exactly how you get that light to go out.